I'm here in front of the Lilly house at the Newfields Museum in Indianapolis. 100 acres, formal garden, tennis courts, swimming pools, walkways in the woods, orchards, greenhouse. It has it all. Great place to meet and to build a community. This is a best map of the grounds. Huge lake, Lilly house in the middle, and the galleries for art on the big black part. The greenhouse. This is called the Four Seasons Garden, sort of in the back of the house. There's a place to sit and meet and talk. There are walking paths all around the mansion and formal gardens, sculptures. It's on 100 acres that used to be called Oldfields. This is the recreation house, and it's the south entrance to the Lilly house with gardens surrounding it on the property of what is now called Newfields Museum. You can see as I'm taking the walk up to the house, on the left you have a sculpture with the woman and child, and on the right you have the child looking at the world map on the times of day and how to spend your time wisely in the sunshine while the light is happening. This is the best view so far. There's so many gardens to explore and sights to enjoy. There's a formal garden here on the left. There's a nursery on the right, and this looks like the front. If not, it's the entrance for vehicles. And they're getting ready for a show here at the Newfields Museum. There's all these lights in the trees. They're preparing for that. And here is the greenhouse to supply all their vegetable and plant needs. Flowers too. Lots of orchids, succulents, air plants. This is the dining room set up for when the Lillys had this house. I love the border. Nice place to meet here. This is what they call the loggia. It's in the back of the house. It's beautiful. And these are original murals. And if you look out the back, there's another patio and a lake that is also part of this property. And it used to be a quarry. I'm not sure where this is. Magical landscapes. And even the lamps look original. Wow. This is the library. We went through the music room, but it's occupied at the moment. Looks like an original inkwell station. Oh gosh, and then this, I believe, is going towards the formal gardens further. This is the library. That was maybe the study. It's a great place for the community to gather information together. This is back into the grand room. Here we have the music room. Place for everyone to enjoy.
Now that tree out here that you have lights on, that's pretty.
They're putting all the lights up right now for the winter, summer.
Yeah.
They gotta get ahead of the game.
Yeah, well, yeah, because you can't just do this and.
No, overnight, yeah, absolutely.
And weather has to.
And weather has to be permissible, yeah, exactly. Okay.
This is actually called the game room next to the library. I see they're playing cards. I didn't notice that at first, so many books. It says Oldfields is at the crossroads of three transportation systems that shaped Indianapolis: canal, rail, and road. This is called the Apperson Jackrabbit, built in around 1907 in a local town. Lotus flowers. This is the entrance to the formal garden. The formal garden is like a higher dimensional omniverse. You can access your alternate selves and soul group skills. That's why it's so peaceful. Another sculpture, very Romanesque, exiting the formal garden. Exiting the garden, these gates, and then you see the museum called Newfields.